How come one man become the most hated man in one country without shooting a gun? What is his problem? We had to set this interview in an unknown place and unknown country for our own safety. In the next minutes, we're gonna try what seems impossible. Understand the stupid mind of the world of sports. I'm Pierre Rosa, and welcome to the stupid minds of the world. United States of America has given to the world talents and legendary athletes in so many different sports. And here I am with the guy that is working so hard to become the legendary stupid athlete of the century. Mr. Sonnen, straight to the point. What is your problem? It seems you have a problem in respect your opponents, especially if they're from Brazil. Why? You are the kind of man, if I can call you a man, that is not ashamed to put your friends, your family, the people you know in awkward situation. Is that right? I have here a question that synthesizes every other question that people want to do for you. Are you ready to live your life after July 7th? To become the stupidest mind in the world of sport is so hard. It takes time and dedication. And it seems our guest is doing that so well. Thank you for your time, and we brought you a present.